Danielle Cook, and I want to welcome you to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We will be with you every week for as long as the U.S. Botanic Garden is unable to offer its regular on-site programming. Today, we're going to be working with eggplants, and we will also take a drive out to the country to check in with the other cook sister, Adrienne, and she's going to share some tips about eggplant care. So let's get started. So in this gratin, we're going to use our eggplants, some jarred sauce, a little bit of Parmesan, some feta, and some yummy sweet onions. Quick and easy. Let's go. Begin by slicing your onion into half moons. Add a couple of tablespoons of good olive oil to your pan and begin sauteing the onions. I always like to add a pinch of salt because that helps the onions release their moisture. While the onions are sauteing, cut your medium-sized eggplant, you want about 1.5 pounds, into wedges. In a second saute pan, add some olive oil and add your wedges a few at a time. Don't overcrowd. Working between your two saute pans, continue to cook your onions and brown your eggplant wedges. Eggplant loves to soak up olive oil, so just add a bit at a time. Cover the bottom of your baking dish very lightly with about a cup of sauce and begin adding your eggplant wedges. Once all your eggplant wedges are snuggled tightly in your baking dish, add the onions. Add just a little bit more tomato sauce, no more than a cup, and then add your cheeses, feta and Parmesan. Cover it. Bake it for about 25 minutes till it's bubbly, then remove the foil and bake it another 15 or 20 minutes until lightly browned.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. Today we're going to be doing tips, tasks, and tricks. So let's get started. This is a young eggplant, and there are tiny little holes in the leaves of the plant. And there's the culprit, the flea beetle, which can devastate a young eggplant. To foil the flea beetle, I use garden fabric. The fabric is anchored by a ring of wire. Summer weight garden fabric is handy for many tasks around the garden, and you can find it at your local garden supply or online. The flea beetle, which hops like a flea, sucks all the energy out of the plant. It's a constant battle, and securing the fabric well helps you win it.
Thanks for joining us. We'll be back next week to talk about cucumbers.